Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make my delicious and easy to make Chinese egg drop soup. So come on, let's start! We will crack 3 large eggs, scramble them well and set aside. We need green onions from our jungle room. Wash them. Cut the white part and set aside. The green part, save it for our garnishing. In a pot, pour in the chicken broth. Add in the white part of the green onion and bring this to a boil. Add in the cornstarch slurry. Continuously stir the soup so you don't get any lumps. It should thicken up. Once the soup starts boiling, go ahead and turn off the heat and transfer your egg into a ladle and slowly release the egg while stirring in a circular motion. By doing this, it will result in a beautiful egg ribbons. Then transfer it into a bowl. Before serving, add a little bit of sesame oil to bring this soup to the next level. Garnish it with green chopped onion. And here's our delicious egg drop soup.